The stock market's a scam and they're trying to ban crypto. This is absolutely unbelievable. Oh my goodness. All right, let's get into this. This is Crypto Wealth. Ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to believe this. I just came across something and it's I've you know it, like you inherently know it if you're in crypto. But then when you see more and more evidence, it's like, oh my goodness. Let me show you something. So this all started, let me just tell you where this started from. So this all started because I put up a video a couple days ago on the 6th. The UK's FCA bans retail crypto derivatives from year-long consideration. Basically, starting January 2021, you're not able to buy certain derivatives on the crypto market, which is crazy if you're a UK citizen. And this isn't the only video. I've done other videos. I got a video on my channel. I'll link it above. I'll put it down in the description talking about, and I'll put this video down in the description as well, talking about the U.S. government attacking crypto. And the reason I'm putting this out there is because I do ultimately think this is bullish for crypto. But in the short term, it's going to be very bearish, and it's important for people to know that. So part of this is just about creating awareness and just letting people understand. And to be honest with you, part of it just absolutely pisses me off, but that's okay. Listen, if you don't like the fact that you're getting screwed over because you're not one of the wealthy bankers in the world, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, because you and me are in the same thought pattern, and I want you a part of this community if at all possible. So here's what happened. I got this video. I see this video here, and I'm like, it's got 900 views. It's done okay, but a lot of people like it. So I really want to get this video out there. So I thought, I've kind of tinkered with ads here and there, and I thought, I'm gonna see if I can run like a little YouTube ad, one of the little ads that show up down here sometimes. Oh, like this right here. No, that's not an ad. This is an ad. Run like a little YouTube video ad. And I was like, and maybe, people would come across, if they were searching for certain topics, maybe they'll come across it, because this is a really important message, and I want people to get out there, particularly if you're in the UK, especially if you're looking up stuff about crypto and you're in the UK. So I started coming up with some keywords. That's how it works kind of in Google. I'm not even going to pretend like I'm an expert on Google advertising, but I started searching up some keywords. Now, this really ticks me off. I know I told you the stock market's a scam. I'm going to get to that in a minute as well. But it's the hypocrisy that blows my mind. I mean, it's the hypocrisy. Now, I want to say this. When we're talking about cryptocurrency, we're not talking about anything stupid like the Fed coin. I did a video on that as well. And I don't want to give away too much. I've got a whole video coming up on the battle over cryptocurrency, where it's pitting basically, the bankers and the central governments against the average everyday person who wants freedom of their own finance. So that video is coming up. So you can subscribe down below. You don't hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already, so you don't miss that video. So I'm planning for that one here in a few days. So I don't want to give away too much. But I thought, what? I'm not gonna advertise it a lot, but I'll spend like 20, 30 cents a day or something, and just try to get this message out there a little bit. So here's what happened. As I'm trying to run the ad, notice this. It's basically is telling me I can't run an ad with these keywords. There's one common denominator in every one of these keywords. And I actually had deleted part of them before I thought, I need to make a video. People need to see this, because you don't know this unless you see something like this. Anytime that I said banned in crypto or banned in Bitcoin, it's on the deleted list. Bitcoin derivatives ban. Bitcoin investment for UK directors. Oh, I think it got me on investment there. Crypto ban. FCA bans crypto. Ban crypto. Ban Bitcoin. Ban cryptocurrency. It's crazy. It's almost like they don't even want you to know that this is happening. It's like, no, don't let everyone know. You can't run an ad. Why can't you run an ad to show that there's a legitimate news story? And by the way, if you're an expert on Google ads or whatever, please let me know what that's all about, because the hypocrisy is mind-blowing to me. I mean, it is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, here's the reason I say hypocrisy. Check this out. I wasn't even planning to do this video today. And so I've known this for a while, but people don't ever think about this. Stock market investing. Stock market investing has been around forever. I wasn't sure. I thought it was 10 to 50 or 10 to 20, but the average company on the stock market trades, meaning it is bought and sold. The stock is bought and sold at about a 15 to 20 multiple of the actual revenues of the company. what that means is the if the company makes, keep it simple, if the company makes, $1 million, then if you added up all the stock, I'm oversimplifying this just to give you an idea though. If a company makes $1 million, the average stock is going to sell, if you added all the stock together, the total price would be somewhere around 15 million. That's a 15 multiple is what it's sold for. Now, why do I say that's a scam? Because if you try to sell a business, it's only through this banking complex, this like banking industrial complex. If you try to sell a business yourself, you will never sell your business for a multiple of 15. If you sell a business that's making, $200,000 a year, you're not going to ever sell that business for $3 million. Never. Is that what it would be? 10 times 2 would be 2 million. Yeah, I guess that would be $3 million. You're never, ever going to sell a business for a 15 multiple. In fact, so I went to Google. I said, what multiple does the average business sell for? I didn't even misspelled average. Here it is. Nationally, the average business sells for around 0.6 times its annual revenue. 0.6. It's annual revenue. Now, with that being said, most people, when they sell businesses, they're at least looking for 1, 1.5, 2 times, 2.5 times, depending on the business and just from personal experience. I was like 0.6. I didn't know it was that low, but I knew it was like 1 to 2 times multiple in many cases. What multiple does the average public company trade for? If a reasonable multiple is perceived to be more like 15 and the earnings are $2 per share, the stock should eventually approach $30 per share. Only on the stock market is a company worth far more than it would exist anywhere else. Why? Because bankers want to make money, I guess. It's because it gets hyped up. You got to ask yourself, where does that value come from? People are always quick to point out scams. And by the way, I'm not here trying to say the stock market shouldn't exist. I'm under the belief of you recognize the rules. You don't have to like the rules, understand the rules, vote against the rules. But at the end of the day, figure out how to operate within the rules. That's kind of where I'm at. I'm not trying to say we should start some sort of revolution, but I can voice what I don't like, and this is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. It just blew my mind that I could not pay Google to show my video along the side word ban or banned and cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Isn't that crazy? If I'm off base, let me know. What are your thoughts down below? Let me know down in the comments. If you love cryptocurrency, you believe that cryptocurrency should equal freedom, then hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.